The benefits and drawbacks of NFTs. In this video, we'll be exploring the benefits and drawbacks of NFTs. While they have many exciting possibilities, they also come with their own set of challenges and limitations. One of the major benefits of NFTs is that they allow for the creation and sale of unique digital assets. This has opened up new opportunities for artists, musicians, and other creatives to monetize their work in a new way. However, there are also drawbacks to NFTs. One of the major concerns is the environmental impact of the energy used to create and trade them, which has been criticized for contributing to climate change. Another benefit of NFTs is that they offer a new way for investors to diversify their portfolio. NFTs have the potential to appreciate in value over time, and there is a growing market for them as a speculative investment. However, there are also concerns about the speculative nature of NFTs and the potential for a bubble to form. Critics argue that the high prices paid for some NFTs are not based on their intrinsic value, but on hype and speculation.